Every project in WriterDuet comes with 3 default documents. You can access them through the Project Info and Docs tab here in the left-hand side, and looking in the Docs widget. By default, every project will come included with a default document, which is your script, a title page, which is your title page, and a private pad, which is a notes document that only you can access even if your script is shared with other people. You can always add new documents to a single project by toggling the widget options and adding a new document. However, this will only add that document to a single project. For more information on that, definitely check out our docs overview article and video. So in this video in particular, we're going to be covering how to add a document that will appear on all new projects going forward, as well as how to rename them and remove them. If while writing you discover that you're always making a new character doc whenever you create a new project, just make it easier on yourself and make that appear by default. So we can add a new default project document, which is a document that appears in your project by default, by going to the 3 menu line option here in the left-hand side. If you are in the hybrid mode layout, the same menu options will be across the top line of your screen here. We'll go to Docs and Default Project Docs. So the title page and private pad will be included by default no matter what, and they cannot be altered. But here we are seeing the default document. So if we'd like, we could rename this to script and create a new one. So here we can see our new default document, and we can call it character. You have the option to make this private, just like the private pad, so it will only be able to be accessed by you, even if your script is shared with other people. And here you can remove it if you decide that you don't want future projects to have this document. If we go to our Project Info and Docs tab, you'll see that we don't have this new default document, as it will only be applied to new projects going forward. However, if we go to the Portfolio menu and click New Project, we can see that our default document is now renamed to script, and we have a character page. So we can go here, turn that to a notes template, and then take whatever proper character notes we need to take before getting back to our script.